Yo, what is up, guys? Shout out to LASFIT Air. They sent this out. Let's check out what it is. Woo, let's check this thing out. Look at this. Boom. POV shot right here real quick on the unboxing. Damn. LASFIT Air. Whoa, let's take it out. Boom. All right. We got an air inflator. They told me that this is a better version than the one I have. If you guys haven't seen my previous one that I made a video on before, it should be linked up here somewhere up there on the little corner. But look at this in the description. Look at this. Damn, hell yeah. So it has 50, I don't know what this means, but the airflow is better, more powerful battery, auto shut off, preset pressure. Ooh, that means you could preset it to be what you want it to be at. To remember your size right here. Look at this fitment, man. Hell yeah. And then dual power supply. Let's check it out. Hell yeah, right here. Nice pristine packaging. LASFIT Air. Hell yeah. And it even has this little thing right here. She called it like this. It's like a little hefty bag, bolsa. Installing it right here. Opening it, unboxing. Woo, there we go. Damn, it has everything. Hell yeah. This is very similar to the other one I have. We're gonna do a comparison. All this stuff right here, all the information, tips and tricks. It should be very similar to the other one, but powerful, more stronger than the other one that I have that I made a video on before, guys. So let's check this out now. Let's take this out. Damn, the quality is amazing, guys. 10 out of 10 quality. The colors, and I love red. There's people that might not like the red, but it even has a LED light right there. Hell yeah. This is where you connect your little air compressor line. So that comes with 2, I believe. Look at this. Oh, hell yeah. What is this right here? Oh, what is that? What is this? Is this like a little storage thing? We'll have to check this out. Look at that, guys. Like, what is that? Little storage thing? We'll check that out right now real quick. Look at that. It looks nice. There's a little protective film right here. Let's keep that on for now. Let's keep it nice and pristine. Hey, yeah, does that power? Let's turn it on. So right here, look, it has this cable where oh wow, it has a lot of stuff actually. This is where you connect it to this side right here. Basically, you're in a bunch. You don't want to go to those gas station air inflators right here. Boom, simple as that. And then look at that. Then you just put it on right here. Easy, guys. Hell yeah. So let's see how that is right now. So we're checking out everything that's inside here, guys. It has another similar inflator cable right there. Has a power supply to go to the cigarette lighter if you need to plug it in there real quick. Here's the connection. What else we got? We got a USB-C charger. Hell yeah, USB-C for the win. We even got these type of inflators. Look, for your, what is this? For your basketball, the little pin needle thing. We even have an adapter in case this end doesn't twist on. This one here with the threads right here for like bicycles and all that. Yo, that's beast, man. That's beast. What is this though? I was trying to figure out what this is right here. Yo, what is this? Yo, don't tell me you could shoot air. Yo, is this like a little compressor thing? Hey, we're gonna check this out right now. Let's install this right here. We're gonna hear this live, guys. We're gonna hear this live. This is my first time checking this out. This was not on the other one. Look at that. It was like a little blower. Yo, let's check it out. Okay, so let's turn it on. It should be the same thing. Just hold the power button. 3, boom, on. Hell yeah. Oh, it doesn't have battery though. Wait, hold on. Oh shoot, this is cool. How does this work, guys? This one's beast. I wanna see how this works. Hold on. It does shoot out a little air, but since we're low on power now, it's not gonna work that well. Here you have your modes. We're low on power. I'm gonna go charge this up and show you guys. Look at that. You have your modes. So you got car, PSI. You have bicicleta, PSI. What is this? Motorcycle, a little ATV type of thing, PSI. Then you have little pelota, a little basketball. Hell yeah. Then it has an LED. Look at that LED, shine bright like a diamond or what? And it has different modes, I think. like a flashing like that. Yeah, SOS type of thing. Look at that. Yeah, in case you're in a pickle at night, that'll come in handy. This comes in handy at night, guys. In case you can't see nothing and your tires are low, this is a super good option, man. Shout out to LASFIT Air. Let me go get it charged up, and we'll test it out on one of the wheels. Look at that. You could adjust the pressure, change the mode to. Wait, hold on. Was that what is this? What are we supposed to inflate ourselves? 100 psi to go inside me. Interesting. What does that mean, LASFIT? What does that mean? That one, the human right there, the person. What does that mean exactly? 100 psi. Interesting, guys. But hell yeah, right here, beast. So let me go charge it up and let's compare it to my other one. Okay, guys. So we got it charged up right here. The LASFIT thing. If you're wondering what camera this is, here it is, guys. Look, Insta360 Go 3. Hell yeah, right here. Beast, right? Hell yeah, that thing is sick. Huh? Look at that. Hell yeah. I'll probably do a review on this sometime in the future. Gonna be doing more POV with this. Anyways, guys, I got these charged up. So let us see. 2, 3, boom. Here we go. Look at that. Yeah, full battery. Actually, it took a while to charge it up, so I think it's more like a 3 battery, but it shows 4 complete. So let's test it out. Like I said, I have the old one. So this is the new one, right? This is the new one that LASFIT sent out to me. Shout out to LASFIT. And then I got the old one in here. Hell yeah, my spare wheel, guys. This is my spare right there. I got the old one right here. And we're gonna do a little comparison. Look at that. Damn. Both from LASFIT. This is the first generation one that they released. And then this is the new one right here. So let's put them side by side. This one right here. Boom. Little cochinero over here, move it out the way. We got this one right here. Look at this one. Hell yeah. Boom. You see what I'm saying? It's very similar. It's very similar. Hey, look at that. This one's just a little compact little square thingy. Similar features, you know? The buttons, the flashlight. If it works. Oh, you gotta turn it on, of course. Dumb. On, and then boom. Look at that. Have it fully charged. Look at that. It has the light too right there. Look. Hell yeah. Flashing the light over there on the rims. Damn, all freaking polvo, dusty, no manching, guys. Damn, no manching. But look at this. So same thing. You know, I could adjust it. Modes, you have different modes like the basketball, PSI mode, car mode, the like ATV, bike, basketball. And then I think that's the human one right here, where it shows the human one on the new one, where it shows like a little like human guy. Damn, look at that bright ass flashlight. Let's check out the differences. Which one's brighter? Where's the light? Oh, right here. Okay, this one's. I don't know if you guys can tell the difference, but let's shine it on something dark. Let's go over here. Let's go over here in the dark. Okay, so this is this one. Can you guys see that? Look at that. See the little one right here? It's right there. Right there. Look at that. See? Hell yeah, hell yeah. Right there. Boom. And then we got the new one. The new one, which is, can't even see it. Oh, you can. Wait. You can see it. Look. Right there. It's like a more, it's weird. It's like it lights up more. It's weird. This is the new one, guys. It lights up more. And then it shows blinking like that. And I don't know if you guys could tell right here, but that's what I'm trying to show right now. And then you got, so turn it off, and you got this one. It's more like a direct spotlight. You see, this one's more like a direct spotlight. It only has 2 modes. This one has 3 modes, so better in that aspect that it has 3 modes like that. So side by side, look at them. This one's lighter, of course. This one's more heavy duty. This one can probably fill up that Cadillac's wheels right here. Literally so fast, literally in like seconds. This one, I know this one takes a little longer because I have used it before on this one, on a Cadillac, and it does take a little longer to fill it up. So there's a difference right there, guys. Like, I'm going off by what I know and what I've already done. Let's try this one out though. Let's try this one on my SI. Let's fill it up. Let's see how it is. We're gonna let a little air out of the SI right now. Yeah. Hey, remember guys, make sure to change your air. We're in the winter now, so get rid of that summer air. Make sure you swap it with some winter air to make your car run more efficiently. Yeah, you know what I'm talking about? Hell yeah. Alright guys, so then now you just take the thread and then you just literally put it in right there. Bam, just like that. Boom, and then make sure it's on there good, make sure on there tight, and then right there you could just read. Look at there, damn, look how much air pressure I took out. So I like having on my SI, like having it at 35. That's how I usually have it. So let's activate it, and then it's gonna be a little loud. I know already when I tested it out earlier, it was louder than this one for sure. Oh yeah, and always make sure that when you activate it, when you turn it on, don't turn it on without the actual cable attached right here. Don't turn it on without the cable thing attached here, because this part burns, and don't disconnect it instantly. It gets hot right there. It's like it gets hot. It's like a little mini air compressor, and this one's supposedly faster than this one. So let's test it out. This one, I remember it always taking me a little while to fill up every single wheel. So let's go right here. Hell yeah, guys, as you saw, look at that, the battery already took off like 2, but like I said, it wasn't fully charged. This thing is a dual motor, so it's faster. It definitely felt faster than when I usually, and also I dropped it down all the way to 23 psi in here. So then now it's at 35, feels good. Hell yeah, look at that fitment though. Look at that, god dang, can't even put a finger in there, guys. Sheesh, I'm surprised my stud marker doesn't fall off. But anyways, back on the subject at hand, this is a great ass air compressor right here. Hell yeah, especially if you're on the go, if you're on long trips, always driving far. Highly suggest getting one of these guys. As I said in the Christmas shopping list, whatever, in my previous video, you should definitely get one of these. This is one of the items I talked about. I even showed off this one. Look at that, it shut off by itself because I'm not using it. So hell yeah, saves battery like that. And this one, I always have it fully charged. This one's good. This one charges faster. That's all I gotta say. This one charges faster. Like when I put it to charge, it doesn't take as long. But since this one is more heavy duty and more robust, it hasn't really reached its full charge. So I still gotta fully charge it and test it out. But honestly, guys, so far it's been perfect. Look at that, even the light. Hell yeah. Hell yeah, guys, that's sick. Highly recommend this. And like I said, this one, I made a previous video on it, and they're basically hand in hand, very similar. This is a single motor, dual motor, and you already know dual motor, 2 motors is better than 1. This one is more pricier. This one is more friendly for a budget friendlier, I mean. So you guys could choose which one you would like. I honestly would highly recommend just getting this one, especially if you have multiple vehicles like this one. Bro, this one could probably fill up this truck right here. This one, the Cadillac XT6, it'll probably fill it up very quickly. We just gotta get it fully powered on. And from what I saw already, from 23 psi to make it all the way there, that was pretty quick. Because this one, I know if it's at 23 psi, if it read it like that, it would have taken a little longer than this one took. So hell yeah, the dual compressors are beast. When you take it off, it's gonna let out just a little tiny bit of air, so that's fine. And then just put back on your little valve stem cover. Hell yeah, guys. Hell yeah, the Brimbos. Let me know what you guys think about the POV though. But that's sick right here, man. I definitely recommend this one, but I also recommend this one. They're both amazing products from LASFIT Air. You can tell this is the first generation because look, it doesn't say LASFIT Air, and then now they put LASFIT Air. Hell yeah, and LASFIT makes quality products, guys. Quality products. I have the interior lights from them. I have reverse and turn signal lights from them, and I have their floor mats. So LASFIT is beast. Oh yeah, and their phone holder inside there. So that's pretty beast, guys. Shout out to LASFIT again for sending this out. This is a great product. I highly recommend getting this one if you can. If you can, I highly recommend getting this one, guys. Go check them out. Go get this one. I believe my discount code should still apply for any LASFIT product out there. It's Pincha10. It should still apply. Go to LASFIT's website, check it out. I know for the floor mats, it still works. I want to do a real comparison before I end the video. So right here, got the old one where we set this one at 26 PSI. So let's hope that on the next wheel, I do the similar type of thing. If not, I'll adjust it. So let's see right now. Okay. So we're gonna start and we're gonna start filling up. See how long this one takes to fill it up from 26 to 35. Let's go in 3, 2, 1, go. Damn, it's still going, it's still going. It needs to make sure it's at that 35. Damn. Damn, guys. Okay, 133, 133. I stopped a little after. So 133 just to make it from 26 to 35. Okay, now let's do the other one. All right, guys. So now we're gonna test out this one. So on the other one, it took from 26. Let's put it. Think of it. Like, you could just set it down right here, and then put this. What I love about this is that it literally just twists on so perfectly right there. Look at that. Boom, just some twist, and then boom, you're good to go. Okay, so it's reading at 27. Let me take off a little bit more air just to make it equal to the other one. I'm trying to make it as legit as possible for you guys watching this. I thought to myself, you know, I gotta make this happen for the viewers, for the people out there to believe me. To believe, you guys gotta believe me, you know. I represent LASFIT, but at the same time, I want to show you guys that LASFIT has quality products. So let's get this done. Let's get this done. Okay. Boom. Little valve thing is like falling off, man. Freaking raised wheels. I love these wheels, by the way. They're just all dirty right now. Okay. Now we're at 25. Okay, guys. Let's see if it could beat it. If it could beat it, that would be beast. If not, then okay, we will see right now. True comparison. Are you guys ready? All right, we're gonna do this right now. Okay, I'm starting. Then we're going. You guys ready? Okay, 3, 2, 1, boom. Yeah. All right. So I had a little 1 extra PSI, but you can tell by the number. Let's say it has 10, 107, 108 around there. Okay, 107, 108. Okay, is it a big amount of time? No, it's not. I agree. I was expecting it to be under a minute, but honestly, guys, that's still pretty beast. You know, you saw the race. So this one wins. It was lower by 1 PSI. It was less, and it still beat the other one by a couple seconds, by almost over 20 seconds. It beat it. So that's pretty beast right there, saving you 20 seconds of time. Hey man, 20 seconds counts. 20 seconds counts in life, man. Every second counts, every minute counts. So that's pretty beast. Shout out to LASFIT again. Showed you guys a live test right here. This one's louder, stronger, more buff, bulkier. Oh yeah, and then you could also plug in your USB thing right here and use it as a portable charger for your telefono or anything else, guys. So hell yeah, make sure you like, share, subscribe, comment. Go check out LASFIT. Links in the description. Get one for Christmas. Get somebody that you love. Get them an air compressor because they're gonna need it, especially if they're a car guy. Hell yeah. And I believe this back here, you could probably store like some secret stuff you want, you know, or maybe a cable, a charger cable. That's what I think it's for. Didn't see any instructions. LASFIT, if you watch this, let me know what that's for. But hell yeah, guys, beast mode. Thank you for watching. Peace out.
Now you can check the whip and peel. Damn, this sticker is ill. Get shit from the smooth as butter. Cut in and out of lanes undercover. Style, wow, my mirror, the rear view. You can never fly by, homie, I will see you. Mach 5, change terrains if need be. Thou shall never floor pass. I will the ID before you act on.